Today we are at Chipping Warden Green Tunnel compound in Northamptonshire, and what is happening behind me is the installation of the precast concrete tunnel. This is a cut and cover tunnel, so we excavate a trench, we build the tunnel inside, and afterwards we backfill it to reinstate the original level of the ground. In this particular case, we have chosen a precast concrete methodology. It brings a lot of benefits. In short, we're reducing the amount of people on site. We're reducing also the time that we spend in the construction of the tunnel. We are also reducing the carbon emissions. These precast elements are being done off-site. They access to the site, come into the excavation. The lifting team just pick it up, upright it, and put it into place. The tunnel is composed by 5 elements. We have 3 walls and 2 roofs, and this process is going to be repeated until we complete the tunnel.